Hello beautiful dollies, welcome back. And if you're new, my name is Honey. Welcome to my channel. Today I came up with this look. This is a really classic glam spring look. What I use in creating this look is the Huda Beauty Mauve Obsession palette. Dollies, I'm really obsessed with this Huda Beauty Mauve Obsession palette. It took a little bit of time, but I really love the way it came out. I hope you guys like it. If you want to know how I achieved this look, then please keep on watching. The first thing I'm going to start with is Maybelline New Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser Primer. Going in with the Superstay 24 Hours Full Coverage Foundation in the shade 60 Caramel. Mixing it with the Master Strobing Liquid Highlighter in the shade Light Iridescent. Now blending it out with my Lily England C1 brush. Guys, I love this brush. This brush is so good. It gives you that flawless look. It makes you have that full coverage as well, if that's what you're going for. Now going in with L'Oreal Paris True Match Concealer in the shade Golden Honey. Guys, I really can't pronounce this name, but this is the contour stick I'm using for today. When you take off the lid, that's what it looks like. You can get this from Amazon. It's also affordable, guys. Now going in with Maybelline Fit Me Set and Smooth Normal to Dry Powder in the shade 250 Sun Beige. I don't like cream contouring the side of my nose these days because I'm a bit oily on that spot. Before we finish the rest of our face, I think applying our eyeshadow will be the best thing. In case of any fallout, we can easily dust it off. Now going in with Huda Beauty Mauve Obsession Palette. Picking up that shade right there. Using that as my transition shade. Starting from my outer V, sweeping it into my inner corner. Then blending it out in a circular motion. We're not going for a crazy look today, we're just going to keep it cool. Now picking up that shade right there. Applying this on the outer V of my eyes. Now taking it into the inner corner. Just go back into that same shade, concentrating on the outer V. Now going in with that shade. Applying this on the outer V, underneath where I applied the second shade. Now taking the first shade we started with, tapping off the excess just to blend out any harsh line at all. After blending it out, you see everything is tied in together. There is no harsh line on the edges. Can you see that? Now it's time to cut the crease. Going in with my concealer and the very small shader brush. You might want to go over your crease line. In that way, as usual, when you open your eyes, your crease will peek through. Now going in with that shade. Now going in with that shade. Now applying the last shade we applied, just to tie everything in together. Now on top of that light shade, I'm going in with that shade right there. Just press it in. When you're applying it, you just have to blend it out of that line, just to make sure it's connecting with the other shade. Now going in with that shade. I'm just doing that to make sure all the shades are tying in together, you know, I don't want any harsh line. Just like that, guys. Can you see that everything is tying in together? I love the way it is now. Now going in with L'Oreal Paris Paradise Casual Aesthetic Eyeliner in the shade White. I'm not bringing it all the way out, just stopping on that side. You can see that because I really want that dark shade to have effect on the outer V. Now taking that shade, applying it on my lash line. Using my Sigma E15 brush to do that. I'm not taking it all the way in, I'm just stopping right there. Connecting it to the outer V as well. Now going in with the first shade we started with, just to blend it out. Taking my Morphe M408 brush to blend that out. Now going in with L'Oreal Paradise Aesthetic Mascara in the shade Neo Black. Now going in with Harrison Lashes in the style 3D Mink. Now that we're done with the eyes, let's finish up with the face. I know the eyes is okay, but I just want that area to be really sharp. So I'm going in with my Morphe M164 brush, which is this. I'm just dipping into that powder like that. Use that to sharpen up the edges. You see that, guys? You see that? I love this brush and it's affordable. Now dusting off my face with the L'Oreal True Matte Super Blendable Powder in the shade Deep Warm. Now going in with Maybelline Master Bronze Color and Highlighting Kit. And I'm picking up that shade right there to warm up my face. Now going in with Maybelline Master Contouring Palette in the shade 02 Medium Dark. If you really want to get a precise contour line, go back in with the Morphe M164 brush. Take a bit of your powder again, just to sharpen up that line like that. Guys, I love this brush. You can actually use this as your contour brush. That's if you want. If you don't want it to leave any sharp line there, just dust it off with your bronzer brush. To highlight my face, I'm going in with Maybelline Master Bronze Highlighting Kit. That's the highlight over there. This is the Morphe M510 brush to highlight my face. Wow, guys, I love this. Now going in with Maybelline Expert Wear Blush in the shade 79 Flash Plum. The lipstick I'll be using for today is Revlon Ultra HD Matte Lip Color in the shade 675 HD Infatuation Entrance with Maybelline Vivid Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Nude Flush. Now going in with the Maybelline. Now using a brush, which is the Lily England C3 brush to blend that out. Now going in with L'Oreal Paris Infallible Fixing Mist Setting Spray. Alright guys, that brings us to the end of this look. Most of the things I used on this video, it's almost everything I use is the drugstore makeup, other than the Huda Beauty Mauve Obsession palette, which is this. I'm really obsessed with this palette these days, guys. I love it. It's so small and it's pigmented. You know, the first time I tried it, it wasn't. It was disappointing, but this time I don't know, it's just working. Wow, that's good. I love it. I hope you like this look because I really like the way this look came out. I'm impressed with this look. Everything is subtle other than the lips, which is a little bit dark, but it goes with the eyes, which is nice. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please do not forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And love to see you on my next video, guys. Bye, dollies.